Hey everyone, Jordan here with 9 to 5 Toys, and today we have something I'm really excited about. Obviously, if you read the title, then you know that this is the Bungie Rewards Hawkmoon, which I ordered back in December of 2020, so definitely been waiting a while for this, and I'm really excited to check it out, and I thought we'd do an unboxing video of it, so let's dive in and check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications with the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get this opened up and check it out. Now, so if you aren't aware, Bungie started something with, I believe it was Forsaken, where they had these kind of rewards where if you completed different activities in-game, then you were able to purchase something from the Bungie store through this Bungie Rewards. And they've done a few different ones. There have been a few different hand cannons that they've featured throughout that, and then there are a bunch of like other random things you can get. But this one is the Hawkmoon, which was, I think, the latest one that we had. So this is a miniature replica. They've done, like I said, some others before. I think Thorn was maybe the last one. But yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, as you can see there, it says Bungie Rewards all over it. Hawkmoon. On the bottom here, it says, miniature polystone replica. Warning, this is not a toy. Not for children. So this is made through Bungie. It's made by a company, Level 52 Studios, so it's not actually made by Bungie. So here we'll open this up and set the lid aside. And here with the flavor text, Hawkmoon is whole again, reborn from the crow. So I have to be honest, Hawkmoon isn't my favorite hand cannon in the game. You know, I really don't even play Destiny 2 very much anymore. I played a ton of Destiny 1. And my favorite hand cannon, exotic at least, was The Last Word. So I'm a little bummed that I missed the Bungie reward when they did that one, but had the opportunity to get this one, and it's kind of like a Christmas present. I bought it in December of 2020, and so yeah, I just kind of jumped at the opportunity to get this one, and I'm pretty excited to check it out. So here we have, you know, the little specs, like you could see in game, and it has all the in-game stats and the perks on there too. Just a cool little sheet here. Kind of a schematic look at Hawkmoon. And let's pull out this. Alright, looks like nothing in there. Oh, and here it looks like it's already all installed in one piece. And there we go. You know, it actually has a decent amount of weight to it too. Oh, this is so cool. So of course they have the, you know, this little barrel stand here, so it's standing up. You got the little talon, the little claw back here on the back as well, so an extra little stand on the handle back here too. So, and we'll get some, you know, close-up detail shots of all this stuff, but overall it is a really cool looking hand cannon. Oh, nice. And that does rotate there, where you would load the ammo. I'm trying to think if this separates. I don't think so. It seems like this is all one piece, not meant to come apart. I think some of the earlier ones, some of the earlier Bungie Rewards, it would come apart. So here on the stand, obviously it says Bungie Rewards Hawkmoon. All right, and there are some other text here on the box. Let's see what some of this stuff says. All right, so here's just a little bit more about Bungie Rewards. Built around Destiny 2 and linked to the Bungie store, Bungie Rewards was created to give our community of gamers more ways to celebrate, commemorate, and show off in-game accomplishments. Rewards items are built to exacting standards, limited in number, and are available only to those who have opted into the program. Hope you enjoy this exclusive item, and we thank you for playing. And some other cool graphics around here. A feather, which was, you know, a part of the quest to get Hawkmoon was searching for all these feathers, so obviously some cool little details on there. And yeah, that's pretty neat. You know, I know Bungie has done other rewards, like you can get these awesome jackets for completing some of the raids with certain time restrictions. I've never been able to do that. I haven't really tried, in all honesty. I think it'd be fun to do sometime, but usually I'm pretty far behind the times. I very rarely ever get up to, you know, max in any given season or anything. I don't really play that frequently, but Destiny still holds a very special place in my heart because I did spend a lot of time playing Destiny 1. All right, let's take a closer look at this. Eyes up, Guardian. Overall, it is a pretty dark colorway, so not a ton of super bright details on here, but still just a super cool looking, I mean, it's just a cool looking hand cannon. So, I mean, like I said, I don't play a ton of Destiny 2 anymore. I still hop on every now and then, but it holds a very special place in my heart. And so, yeah, I think this is just a really cool piece. It's going to be fun to have on display. You know, every now and then on my desk, I'll have some other little Destiny props or some Star Wars props. But Destiny holds such a special place in my heart that, you know, this is a really cool piece to be able to show off as well. And this isn't something that you can just, you know, go to the Bungie store and buy. You do have to complete the accomplishment, and they closed, you know, the entry for this at the close of one of the seasons. I believe that was back in March. But I believe they're going to be doing other Bungie reward systems where you can go online and get some different Bungie rewards if you want to, get some really special collectible pieces from the Destiny universe. Definitely check those out if you're into Destiny, because these are just kind of cool to have, you know, real life items that you can commemorate your experiences in game. Now, I am a little bummed. There are a couple of pieces on the model that don't look, you know, absolutely great. For one, the little cylinder under the barrel on the left side is a little crooked, and unfortunately, I mean, that's like the primary display side, so it's unfortunate that, you know, that's the way it's supposed to be seen. It'd be one thing if it was the other side that was a little bit crooked, but as that primary side is a little crooked. And as a whole, looking at the hand cannon from the front, it just looks a little bit off-center and angled. But from most angles, it looks fine, but I'm a little surprised that it does have these issues, you know, especially after reading that box where it says they're built to exacting standards. But overall, I still think it's a cool piece, just a little bummed that, you know, there are those noticeable things. All right, and that'll do it for this super quick unboxing video. Let me know what you think about Bungie Rewards and the Hawkmoon down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9to5 Toys.